You're the wind in my sails, you're the pull of the sea, you're the wish in the well, you're my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need. You're the first of the year.
So I thought I'd show you guys a few little things from our wedding day box. This was like a little flag that Kev wrote on. He bought me like Veuve Clicquot for the preparation part of the day, and he left this little note with that. This was our wedding invitation. This is what it looked like. We got married in 2016. So that was that. My sister-in-law actually designed this, which is so cool. Then we have my vows that I wrote to him, and obviously said in front of all our loved ones. And then his vows is also on a little flag like this. Let me show you a few photos. So this was actually taken at Germiston Lake on like a jetty sort of thing. It was just about to rain. It was very cloudy that day. It was sunny and windy, and then became cloudy, and this was just before it started raining. But we managed to get some beautiful photos with the lighting. This was taken in the street. This was the ceremony. We had it in front in the garden. Got married at his aunt's house, so it's not a wedding venue. But I loved the trees. So stunning. It's Kev, it's me and Kev. So interesting thing about this dress is it's made of curtain lace. Back then, lace in 2016 lace dresses just became a thing, but I couldn't find any lace dresses. Excuse my nails. I couldn't find any lace dresses in any of the bridal shops that I went to. So went to Dubai Center with the lady who made the dress, and her shop closed down, by the way, but yeah, just chose curtain lace and Bob's your uncle. I was pretty happy with it. Some stunning photos. Yeah, obviously I did my own makeup on the day. I just went for a blowout the morning, just wanted something plain and simple. This is me and my mom and dad. It was really such a nice thing, even though it rained out. We had our reception on the tennis court, but obviously it rained out, so a lot of people ended up going home. But it was still a memorable day. I really love this photo. So yeah, we had the flags. You can see how the wind kind of just really ruined them. We had like fairy lights spun above the tennis court, and yeah, this was my uncle. He married us. My dad when he first saw me. My mom dressing me. This is also one of my favorite photos. My dad kissing me goodbye and handing me over. And this is Kev and his sister and mom. This is Drea, his mom and his dad. And yeah, that's it. Flowers. Obviously my husband bought me these. Love them. And the orange ones are perfect for my Halloween background. And of course, you know, eucalyptus is also my favorite. So, ooh. Hey, freshie cut! Looking fancy. journaling stickers from Lulu and Co. That's their little logo. I'll link them for you guys down below to the Instagram page, but they also sent me this really cool Perspex to do board, which I think is super cute. I'm definitely gonna put that in my background or something. But yeah, I'm gonna add this to my Bujo video that I still need to do. Just love it.
It's as simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Open up my heart and you'll find love.
We're going to a roadhouse. No man.
Not.
Kotta Joe. Kotta Joe open, so I'm gonna have a blondie. Ciao. Bye, Julie.
I am so excited to have some good food this evening. We're going to one of our favorite restaurants. It's called Yamatsuki, but we're going to the teppanyaki part where they literally cook the food in front of you. It's really just one of our favorite places and the food's really good. Last year we went to like the steakhouse sort of place in Sandton City at the Mandela Square. It was nice, but it was extremely expensive and not like, I don't think it was like worth the money. But this place is like, so I'm so excited. My husband?
Worth the money.
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary.
Hearts
6'9".
worth falling
Get
for.
into the game. Ek begin amper weer seil, so ek moet al weet. Dit is my mindset.
Carry yours. Come, rain or shine, I'll cover you up and calm the skies. As long as you are mine, I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time. It won't always be easy, but just as sure as the sun will rise, I'll be there when you need me. With every tear that falls from your eyes, oh, you have me completely. I'll be there when I'll be there when you need me. Trust, it builds a home, and ours is a sacred place.
We just had the absolute best dinner ever, and they made it so special with like the singing and the cake and everything. If I knew we were going to have cheesecake, we wouldn't have gotten the strawberry Nutella and cream
Thanks, buddy.
crepe.
Sorry, man.
Thank you. But it was so delish and so special, and happy anniversary, Doctor.
Happy anniversary. Thank you, Yamatsuki.
I love you forever.
Yamatsuki or me?
You.
You. But I do love Yamatsuki as well, but not as much as you. Ja.
Say it so nice for me. Silence is deafening.
Why is it deafening? I'm speechless, my goodness gracious. I always have words, but when it comes to you, my wife, you make my heart melt. You make me a softie and speechless. You are beautiful, you're amazing, you're driven, you're fire and ice, you're everything.
Oh, je raakt hier zo op nou. I love you.
I love you.